Latest digital trends. WhatsApp is working on hiding your IP address in calls. Google launches BigQuery Studio, a new way to work with data. Meta launches live test of avatar legs in VR. The new WhatsApp for Mac adds video and audio group calling. Microsoft officially adds Bing AI chatbot to Google Chrome. Google launches applications based on BreezoMeter acquisition. Twitter removes its no political ads policy ahead of the 2024 election. Taylor Swift becomes first female artist to hit 100 million monthly Spotify listeners. Apple releases iOS 17 Beta 8 to developers. Microsoft adds HSTS support to Exchange Server 2016 and 2019. Google expands Duet AI features across its cloud services. YouTube launches new education-based approach to policy violations. Meta removes over 7,500 Facebook accounts linked to Chinese influence campaign. Instagram adds new comment reply option, tests star sign-related stickers. Snapchat launches new generative AI, Dreams option to create fantastical depictions in the app. For more digital trend visit kiramvoleti.com.